Welcome to the comprehensive introduction to programming. In this session, we will explore fundamental programming concepts, tools, and practices that form the backbone of software development. Programming is a skill that empowers you to create applications, solve problems, and innovate in technology. So, what is programming? Programming is the process of writing instructions for a computer to perform a specific task. It involves using languages like Python, Java, and C++ to design logic, solve problems, and automate processes. At its core, programming is about thinking logically and expressing solutions in a form that a computer can execute. So, it is a process kung ano para maghatag sa computer og mga instructions to complete tasks gamit ang languages like Python and Java. Importance of programming. In today's digital age, programming is crucial in nearly every industry, from healthcare to finance, transportation to entertainment. Programming drives innovation and efficiency. Learning to program not only enhances problem solving skills but also opens doors to numerous career opportunities. So it highlights programming's wide reaching role in industries and its benefits in logical thinking and career opportunities. Next is programming languages. There are many programming languages, each suited for different tasks. Python is known for its simplicity and readability, making it great for beginners. Java is robust and widely used in enterprise and Android development. Understanding multiple languages broadens your ability to choose the right tool for the job. So, programming languages. Introduce niya ang Python o Java as popular na programming na language. So, each with different strengths and applications. Flowcharts. A flowchart is a visual representation of the steps in a process. It uses symbols like ovals for start or end, rectangles for actions, and diamonds for decisions. Flowcharts are helpful in planning algorithms and understanding the flow of logic before writing actual codes. So, Autonote, isa sa icon siya visual tools that depict the logic and steps of a program using standardized symbols like ovals and diamonds. Benefits of using flowcharts. Flowcharts provide clarity in logic design, reduce errors in code, and help in troubleshooting. They are particularly useful when explaining program logic to others or reviewing complex processes that involve multiple decisions. Makatabang na siya sa pagsabot sa dagan sa program logic and gina-reduce siya ang terms of codes and especially gamit gid kayo siya sa pagplano. Excuse me. Pseudocode. Pseudocode is a way to describe algorithm using informal language. It bridges the gap between the idea and actual code, making it easier to transition from logic to programming. Pseudocode does not follow strict syntax rules and focuses on clarity. So, informal language. Informal language agnostic steps use to plan out an algorithm before translating it into code. Sample pseudocode. Consider the task of checking if a number is positive. Pseudocode for this might look like start input number. If number is greater than zero, then print positive. And if end. This simple layout helps to focus on logic before implementing it in code. So, makatabang ang pseudocode sa pagsabot sa layout logic. IPO chart. An IPO or input process output chart helps break down a problem into three parts. The data you input, the process the program performs, and the expected output. This is a useful tool in planning and analyzing a program's functionality. Kuha na siya planning tool na nag-divide sa program into input, process, and output components for clear structure. Example IPO chart. For an addition program, input two numbers, process, then add numbers. Output display the sum. This structured approach helps clarify what the program needs to do and how it should behave. So, we demonstrate the IPO with a simple addition program for a more reinforcement structured problem analysis. Next is IDE. An IDE is a software application that provides tools to write, test, and debug code. Popular IDEs include Eclipse for Java and PyCharm for Python. IDEs enhance productivity with features like syntax, highlighting, autocomplete, and integrated debuggers. So, software, software tools uh, like PyCharm and Eclipse that support coding, testing, and debugging. Installing Python. To install Python, visit python.org and download the latest version for operating system. The installer includes IDLE, a basic IDE, and pip, a package manager. Once installed, you can start writing and executing Python programs easily. So, i-explain niya, i-explain niya kung yun sa pag-download and install sa Python and its tools. Ay same sa IDE or pip from the official website. Installing Java. To install Java, download the JDK or Java Development Kit from Oracle's website. After installation, configure the path environment variable so you can compile and run Java programs from the command line for an IDE like Eclipse. So, narito ang details para how to install the Java Development Kit or JDK and set environment variables for running Java programs. Next is displaying output. In Python, output is displayed using the print function. Then in Java, system.out.print is used. These functions are essential for interacting with users in debugging programs during development. So, show niya dito on how to print output using print, then Python, in Python. Then sa Java is system.out.print ang gigamit. Next is variables. Variables store data for use in a program. They can hold different data types like numbers, strings, and booleans. Variables are named storage location and are essential for writing flexible dynamic code. So, discuss niya dito how variables store data and are fundamental to program flexibility and logic. Data types. Common data types include integers, int, floating point, number, float, strings, str, and boolean, bool. Understanding data types ensures proper manipulation and storage of values in a program. Introduce niya ang types like integers, floats, strings, and booleans that define the nature of variable content.